Hi guys! I have some shrimp cocktail left over from our Valentine's dinner. And of course, we always have cooked rice in our house. Did you know that cooked rice can last a good whole week in your fridge? So if you have some rice sitting in your fridge for some time, it's a good idea to let the rice sit in room temperature for at least 20 minutes. Or better yet, microwave it for 30 seconds. This will allow the rice to rebloom, and that helps with absorption in flavor and sauce faster and easier. When it comes to Thai cooking, I am a purist, as I like to keep the recipe and taste true to its best known original version. But boy, I just can't help myself with this temptation. You know the saying, everything tastes better with butter? It is so true, especially in fried rice. Let me show you how. Okay, we're cooking a simple shrimp fried rice, makeover version, meaning the shrimps are already cooked. I cut my shrimps in bite size because I like to keep all the chunky ingredients relatively the same size, which ensure full coverage of sauce. Every bite will have a piece of shrimp, some vegetable, eggs and rice. Especially I'm packing this for my husband's lunch, and believe me, he certainly appreciates the jam packed of everything in one spoonful. And that is why I pick out the green beans. Not only it's not the same size as other vegetable, my husband doesn't like it in fried rice. I know, crazy. I should also mention that you can use any other type of leftover meat, like steak or pork chop, are good examples. The cooking part is pretty much the same as when you're cooking raw protein. The only difference is that you can walk this up in half the time. One important note on cooking technique. I cook eggs separately from the meat and vegetables. This way it can really shine and mix well into the rice and the sauce. When you merge the two parts together, be sure not to overmix. Be gentle. When stirring, you don't want to break the rice too much, it's become too mushy. Last but not least, our secret ingredient, the butter. That is added at the very end. Now, don't go overboard with butter. As tempting as it may be, a little bit goes a long way. You want people to taste your fried rice and say, what's that deliciousness? Can't put a finger on it. Butter elevates the taste, adding that wonderful fat into the rice, like a flavor carrier of the nutty and buttery taste to every grain of rice. That is good fried rice. Believe me, you would want this leftover every day. Please comment below if you have any leftover that needs a makeover. I love a good challenge, and I hope you try this easy recipe. By the way, I use my mother sauce number 9 original red label version. You can find that at Etsy. That's ETSY. Thank you and cheers!